Glass skin in 4 months. I'll take it. Dani, you've been MIA. And you want to know why? I think we did it. I think we got glass skin. I think we're here. Yeah. Today's video kind of give you guys an update on my skincare journey, what's been going on, and why we took a little breaky. Because I was plateauing for a while and it was kind of annoying and I didn't want to keep coming to you guys with the same regurgitated content. We had to go back to square one. I had to do more research and find other products and figure out why I wasn't getting to my goal even though I was being consistent. Come to find out that my moisture barrier is in the dumpster. So I just stopped using kojic acid, I stopped using Dr. Bronner, and I just started using my gentle cleansers, the Aveeno Balm, and then the Good Morning Gel Cleanser. While that's doing its thing, I need to find something for my friggin' moisture barrier because that clearly seems to be the friggin' problem. I did find some products that actually work. Some of them are expensive, some of them are not. Most of them are from the overhyped community, and I say overhyped very lightly. It's a whisper. Korean skincare. Quick backstory for my new subscribers or new followers on this channel. I was this girl. Raisin Bread, Cookie Monster, Cinnamon Swirl. That was me. It took me almost 4 years to get to here. I'm here to give you reassurance to keep going. I have at least 10 videos on my channel of my skincare journey. Right now, this is just a new phase of my skincare journey where I'm trying to get over the plateau of being in the same spot, and we did it. I was looking for serums that can repair my moisture barrier, and your girl found one. This is the Mix Soon Bean Essence. It's extremely viral. It does work. I'm down 3 bottles. I threw my first bottle away, and we have 2 here, and I have 5 more boxes upstairs. I'm not playing games with this thing. You know what I was using before? I was using snail, this garbage. I was getting a lot of milia with that. I don't know if the formula has changed over the years because I was using it religiously when I first started my skincare journey, and then I started using it again last year, and I was like, absolutely not. I was not liking the little white bumps all over my eyes. Since I started using this and incorporating it into my skincare routine with my kojic acid, I want to say within a month, the majority of my stubborn dark marks, you guys remember when I told you I had gunshot wounds back here? Gone. And I know that a lot of you guys were complaining about the Ordinary serum and how it was making you peel. When I do these together, no peeling. This morning I forgot to do my skincare routine, and then I went downstairs and I looked in the mirror. My face was peeling because I used this only on my skin last night, and it was because I was being lazy and I was tired. I immediately did my skincare routine and it went away. Out of all the products that I'm currently using in both my skincare routines, if I had to use only 2, it would be this product and my kojic acid. Take everything else. Take it all. This is forever. I've showed you how many boxes I have. I plan to buy more. If you ever want to buy me something for Christmas, that is what I want. Thank you so much. The next product that I like, that I'm kind of using as a moisturizer, when I overuse the Aveeno Balm, I get milia over my eyes. So I had to find something that was lightweight and more of a cream or gel base. I started using this baby. This is the Advanced Clinical Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream. This is almost done. I tried to make sure I finished everything before I came back with a review, so she's like basically empty, and I purchased 2 more. What I did notice when I first started using it, a little bit of tingling, burning sensation after using kojic acid. On a day-to-day basis, if I'm using it, it doesn't sting or anything. I only know that it stings if my moisture barrier is a little bit exposed. All of these products, you need to wear sunscreen. Do I wear sunscreen as often as I'm supposed to? No, not really. We're very transparent on this channel. I do beat in your head that you're supposed to wear sunscreen all the time. Do I wear it all the time? No. Should I? Yeah. I bought this product on iHerb. iHerb is everywhere. My UK girlies, US, everywhere. And Advanced Clinicals, I have another product from them that I really like. This is vitamin C. We finally have some vitamin C. I've been loving this. I'm almost done. You can't really see it. It's like down here. Love this. It's been helping even out my skin tone. And if I forget one of my other serums, I will literally just put this one on. For this next product, literally a hit or miss. Very viral. When I first started using it, I was getting a lot of purging breakouts in the center of my face, and then I stopped. And after over a while, I didn't get the breakouts anymore. I slowly am going to try to gradually go up to every day, because people say the more you use it, the better results you're going to see. The only issue that I have with this product is she kind of reminds me of the kojic acid soap, where there's just so many fakes out there, you don't know if one is real or not. And we were scammed. Yes, we were, by Wally World. And I assumed because Walmart is a big corporation, you're not going to get scammed, and I very much did so get scammed. And I was just lazy to return it, so I just kept it. I'll show you the fake one and the real one side by side. This is the real one, and then this is the fake one. You can kind of tell this is like, it looks like juice. There's like a little lip here on the top to let you know that it's real. It almost reminds me of the same consistency of the vitamin C serum from Advanced Clinical. And this stinks. Doesn't smell good. I don't like the way it smells. This is the only product I'm using right now that stinks. I don't like it. So this is a fake one. There's no lip on top. I'm not gonna put this on my skin because I don't know what the hell it is, but from the looks of it, it's very, who knows? We're not putting it on our skin, so I don't know what it is. Just, yeah. The lip at the top is the deciding factor. I don't use them. They were literally for you guys, for me to show. In terms of my skincare, I would say those are like my most updated skincare products that I've been using that finally got me to break over that obstacle. There's products that I don't use anymore. Like I don't use these serums anymore. Nothing is wrong with them. If you're currently using them when you purchase them, you can continue to use them. I've just hit a plateau with my skincare and they're not doing anything for me. I also don't use this sunscreen anymore. I'm currently using this one. If you guys want to see an updated skincare routine, no problem. For my lip care, I've been very consistent with exfoliating my lips and also making sure I do my 1-day routine with my kojic acid and not missing a day with that. And then I've also changed what I put on my lips when I'm done doing my routine. I found these babies and I absolutely love them. They are a hidden gem. These She Glam moisturizing lip care. They're tinted. I have one that is the same color as my lip that I'm currently wearing right now, and I absolutely love it. This one, it is so good. This is in the shade Strawberry Milk. If you're a deeper skin tone, you can use the Cocoa Cookie. And then there's one that's just clear. This is the Candy Lane. I have a bin full of products that I haven't used yet, and I'm gonna run them by you. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if they're a hit or a miss, what you're currently using right now that you found that, you know, is your holy grail. First up is Glow Milky Toner by Anua. I'm gonna call her Anua. If that's not what it's called, please help me. Does this work? Yes or no? I don't want to put this on my face and my shit up. I stopped using my niacinamide toner from Good Molecules because I wasn't really seeing anything from it anymore. Next product we have Heart Leaf 77 Soothing Toner. Yes? No? Do we like it? Next product. I actually am going to try this because I've heard nothing but good things. I've never heard anybody say anything bad. So I may add this in next month because the new product is this one right now. And I have to use it for a month before I move on to the next product. So this is the Mix Soon Glacier Water. This is a serum. Why is it so big? Do we like this? So you guys asked me to review this, but I don't know where to review it on because I'm not putting it on my face. So this is the Kaya brightening bar. It's kojic acid bar. I'm not putting this on my face. We can put this somewhere else. I can do a comparison with a body part and see if this is better than the Koji San. I laid out it, but we can definitely try, but I will not be putting this on my face. Does this work? Do you guys like this? I did use this product. I did not like it. In all fairness, I did not finish a bottle. Typically how I know something works is if I finish a bottle, which is what I tried to do. I used this for a month. Look how far we got. I didn't like it. It didn't hit like this one. And I think they're supposed to. Do not punch me in the face. I don't know if this is true or not. I think they're supposed to do the same thing. This, the same day, I felt a difference. This, I don't know. I didn't like it. Do you like this? If you do, tell me why. Next products, we have these two serums, retinol and hyaluronic acid. I do love the vitamin C, so I feel like they'll be good. But I'm slowly weaning in one product at a time. It's only been 4 months. 4 products, as you can tell, were used. If you've used these, do you like them? Can I use these on my face? Do you like them? That is my updated skincare products that I've been using right now that finally got me over the plateau of being a friggin' raisin bread. I was so over it. I was gonna start connecting the dots at this point. Again, this video is not sponsored. I purchased everything with my own money. I showed you the receipts throughout the video. If you are using my previous videos, they are still good to use. It takes some time to get the results that you want. There are faster routes that you can take, but they are really expensive. Chemical peels, Accutane, I have not taken any of these. I've just spent a lot of money on products that work for me. It's a lot of money over time. It's not in one go. I like to buy things in bulk. Also, please let me know if there's other content you want to see. I did not create my channel for just skincare. Huh? I created it for makeup, Dani, everything Dani. And I feel like that's also another reason why I haven't been posting for you guys, because I don't want to continuously just make skincare videos. You guys really love my skincare stuff, so I'm gonna give the people what they need. If there's content you guys want to see from me, tell me. Let me know. I'm very versatile. I'm good at almost everything. If it's hair, if it's makeup, it's nails, hair growth. Got my hair from this to this. Shit, the only thing I can't do is sing and dance a little. I want to start making more content and having fun and not taking life so serious, because we work a lot of jobs and I just need a break, and I would like to use this as my outlet. So yeah, I still have to do a kojic acid Q&A because I did get hundreds of questions about that, and I feel like it'd be fair to do a video just so you guys have a central place for everything kojic acid. Tell me how your progress is going with my skincare routines, if you feel like you've hit a plateau, if you feel like it's not working. Also tell me how long you've been doing it for, because if you come back here and tell me something about some 4 days, okay, 4 days is not going to cut it. You're going to need a couple months. I started seeing results with kojic acid with like 2 to 3 months. So you're going to need some months on it maybe. But yeah, cheers to 2 years on YouTube. It doesn't even feel like 2 years. It feels like I started yesterday. I'm so honored. 17,000 is a lot of people. I don't know 10 people. And I'm grateful for every single one of you, especially the subscribers that check on me when I go MIA and say, bitch, what the fuck's going on? Where are you at? Especially the ones that are giving me updates about your life. I love that. I want updates. Tell me babies dropped, graduations, a new car, new man, old man gone. Let me know what's going on. I want to know. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for being patient with me all the time. And I can't wait to see you in my next video.